Let's dive deeper into coding a recycle view. It's all about reusing views to save memory. Step 1. The XML row layout. Notice the height is wrap content. If you use match parent, one row will take up the whole screen. Step 2. The adapter. We create a class and pass our data list. It inherits from RecyclerView.adapter. Inside, onCreateViewHolder is crucial. It converts your XML to a view. It only runs a few times, just enough to fill your phone screen. Now the magic, onBindViewHolder. As you scroll, this function is called repeatedly to recycle old views and replace their text with new data. Next, getItemCount simply returns the total size of your list. If it returns 0, your list will be completely empty. Step 3. The ViewHolder. Finding views by ID is slow. The ViewHolder finds them once and caches them, saving massive CPU power during scrolling. Finally, main activity. Connect your RecyclerView to the adapter and add a layout manager, which decides if your list is vertical, horizontal, or a grid. Your RecyclerView is now fully optimized and ready to handle thousands of items without lag. Great job!